Thinking about buying from Slide Jewels but wondering if it's truly worth your money or just another overly advertised Instagram brand? You're not alone. This jewelry company has caught a lot of attention lately, showing up in major fashion magazines like Elle, Cosmopolitan, and Harper's Bazaar, which gives the impression of a trendy, trustworthy brand. Founded in 2021, Slide Jewels has built a solid following and markets itself as a direct-to-consumer label that offers stylish, high-quality pieces at accessible prices. They claim their jewelry is 18,000 gold-plated, waterproof, and hypoallergenic, bold features that suggest durability and comfort, especially for people with sensitive skin or active lifestyles. From gym sessions to beach days and even nights out, their designs are meant to fit any setting while still looking polished and modern. Many users have praised the lightweight feel and long-lasting shine of the pieces, saying they've worn them daily without signs of tarnish or irritation. Another plus is their active presence on social media, where they engage with customers, promote deals, and showcase new launches. They even offer rewards programs and subscription boxes that let fans regularly receive curated sets, which adds an extra layer of value and excitement. But it's not all glowing. Some buyers have expressed frustration over slow shipping, especially during high-volume sale periods, and a few noted that the items looked a bit more premium in photos than in real life. There have also been mixed reviews regarding customer service responsiveness when handling returns or exchanges. So while Slide Jewels definitely shows promise with some standout features, stylish designs, and modern-day convenience, the overall experience seems to depend heavily on individual expectations. If you're after fashion-forward pieces and are okay with a few potential hiccups in delivery or presentation, Slide Jewels could be a fun addition to your collection. Just don't expect it to be flawless luxury.